Do you have a job that requires you to stand for long hours? Here's some advice for you. Firstly, always ensure your footwear is comfortable and supportive, with sufficient cushioning to lessen the impact on your feet and lower limbs. Secondly, strive to distribute your body weight evenly on both feet to prevent overburdening specific areas. If your workplace allows, consider investing in anti-fatigue mats or insoles. They provide an added layer of support and can significantly reduce stress on your feet. Always be mindful of your posture. Try to maintain a neutral spine and avoid leaning excessively forward or backward. Engaging your core muscles can provide that extra bit of support needed. Regular movement breaks are crucial. Take short intervals to move around, stretch, or change positions. It's also beneficial to perform simple stretches for your neck, shoulders, and legs during these breaks. Occasionally, elevating one foot on a small stool can help shift your weight and reduce pressure on your lower back and legs. Ensuring your work surfaces like counters or desks are at a comfortable height is pivotal for maintaining good arm and wrist positioning. During your breaks, opt for chairs with proper lumbar support to relieve stress on your lower back. A daily stretching routine that targets muscles used during prolonged standing, such as calves, hamstrings, and lower back, can be massively beneficial. Dr. Vishal from Physio for U Rehab Center recommends following specific exercises to address muscle imbalances and promote overall strength and flexibility. You should also consider a personalized ergonomic assessment of your workspace to identify and mitigate potential issues. Regular check-ins with Dr. Vishal can help monitor progress and make necessary adjustments to your ergonomic practices. Incorporate these ergonomic practices into your daily routine to enhance comfort, decrease the risk of musculoskeletal issues, and promote overall well-being during long-standing work hours. And remember, for personalized ergonomic guidance and physiotherapy solutions, contact Physio for U Rehab Center on 9782219444 or visit www.physioforu.com. Take charge of your health today and make your work environment as comfortable and safe as possible.